one, this long one. So this key goes to the traffic cabinet. This one right here. I don't know what the other keys are, but this one, I'm pretty sure this
they're all for the school.
Yep, they're for the school, and this is for the traffic. Alright, stick it in. Turn left first, then turn right, and then latch releases and the door opens. So, it's pretty windy, so I'm gonna hold this.
So we got this key. Opens every door to the school. I can go into every single door that has a lock.
Oh, okay.
And this one is for my police locker.
Oh.
This one opens every school locker. All the kids' lockers. You can open up all their lockers with that key.
Okay.
Yeah, no face.
That was good looking at the keys today. I didn't know what those ones, but I'm pretty sure this long one goes to this thing right here. It's windy out here.
Yeah.
But that car didn't make it. Yep. That car in the turn lane did not make it. Hopefully this light will change and that car will stay in the turn lane. I think we might switch it on. Pretty soon I might be getting a new intro. So I'm pretty sure this might be the last time doing the intro with his Breaking Through by Bethel Music Kids. So I might put in a new intro on my long videos. There's that car turning.